So a common complaint that I'll hear from people when they're doing bench press is that they get wrist pain. So if you're somebody who gets wrist pain when you do bench press, more often than not, what's happening is that you don't know how to grip the bar correctly in your hand. So what most people who get wrist pain from the bench press will do is they'll grip the bar up far too high on their hand, and what that ends up resulting in is that the wrist gets bent back like that, and all the force is coming through here, when ideally we want it to be as close as possible to going straight through our wrist down to our elbow. So if you come around here and watch me grab the bar, I'll demo the bad way of grabbing it first, and then I'll show you the good one. So this would be a bad way of grabbing the bar. I'm going to grab it up high in my hand, just sort of underneath the pad of my palm there. And you can see that when I take it out, this is what happens. My wrists are bent back, and as a result I'm putting lots of strain through that joint. Now, the proper way to grab the bench press is if you imagine that there is a line just above where your thumb sits here. We want to get it nice and close to right above the thumb. That's going to have it sitting really snugly in the middle of your palm, and it's going to mean that you can keep that closer to your wrist, and it should take the strain off there. So, I'm going to set up. Bar is right above my thumb. Make sure as well that you wrap your fingers all the way around the bar, and as you're doing the rep, you want to be squeezing the bar the entire time as well, which is going to activate your forearm muscles. Now, you can still screw this up even if you grab the bar too low, if you just allow your wrists to bend back like that. So you want to be squeezing the bar to stop that from happening, and think about keeping these second set of knuckles pointing up towards the sky the entire time. So bar sets nice and low in the hand, squeeze the hell out of the bar, keep that second set of knuckles pointing up towards the sky the entire time that you're doing your set. Okay, so if you're getting wrist pain when you do the bench press, give that a go. So the cues again are bar nice and low in the hand, squeeze the hell out of the bar, and you want to keep this second set of knuckles pointed up towards the ceiling the whole time.